Hi guys, it's Rachel from WTI, and I have to show you this gorgeous collectors of my Barbie stemless wine glasses. So these are so cute. If you look in the detail on these, it is so nice. I like the fact that they both say something different. They're very well made. They are glass. I have these for collectors. Otherwise, I would show you how gorgeous they look with wine or something inside them. But I do collect a lot of different things, and this just had to be part of my Barbie collection. So I like the fact that the Barbie glass says Barbie core to the core, and it's got all the little Mattel and everything detail and the pink writing, which is so cute. And then you have Ken, it's in blue, and I love that it says not just arm candy. This is so cute. It's just something that I literally had to have in my collection. They are so well made. The packaging keeps it nice and protected and safe, and I even like the packaging. It is so Barbie-esque, and it's just something that I love, but that's just my point of view.